Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check your Windows 10 update history using PowerShell. Okay, so for that we need to open this PowerShell. So let me minimize this. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you need to click on this search box and just do a search for Windows PowerShell. And here we have the Windows PowerShell, this app. Just right click on that and then click on this run as administrator. And here we have the Windows PowerShell opened. So let me maximize this. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you need to type this command wmic space qfe space list. Okay, and guys, this command in video description, you can check it out. Okay, and after typing this command, just hit enter key on the keyboard. Okay guys, so you can see here we have the description, the update, hotfix ID, and it's installed by, installed on. Okay, you can see the dates over here. Okay, so you can see the update, security update. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily find your Windows 10 update history using PowerShell. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.